If there are some pressures because of the mistakes you get involved in, getting involved in things you don't understand very well, don't get debts also. Don't borrow money from money lenders and from banks, you people. The young people were talking over Banga TA. Indeed, Rubanga TA, because he's there. I'm looking at something small for your swearing in, and something else later. So don't pollute yourselves. It's not necessary. We can have institutional solutions rather than corruption solutions. The where is Lakisa? Lakisa tie kwene. Lakisa